IRCC Webform is an official way to communicate with the IRCC, and this can be used when you have an ongoing immigration or citizenship application. You want to check application status, you want to update something about your application, such as change of address, document, correcting information. Also, if you're facing any technical issues, this is the form which you will be using. You'll also use this to report lost or any misdirected communication or correspondence. You didn't receive any expected letter, email, or decision, and also request urgent processing in case under specific compassionate or humanitarian ground. In case you want to seek any clarification, this is the form where you will ask and do that specific communication with IRCC regarding your file. This is not for new application. It is only for the inquiries related to application already submitted or issues with IRCC service. So just be aware of that. Once you're on this page, you see what's your question. Click here on work in Canada. Once you click here, continue to form. Here you'll enter your first name, last name, email address. You'll confirm your email address, your date of birth, and then your question. Once everything is done, click here, review your question. Here you can see once every detail is filled, your first name, last name, everything is shown, title is shown, and then it shows that it is protected B. Then once you come down, email address, date of birth, and the inquiry what you have filled, everything you are able to see. Once you have reviewed this, you can go and submit your request. Once you submit, you will get notified that the submission has been made. You will not get any email on this, just this notification that the question has been received, and this is the communication you will have. Just wait for the response.